Welcome back to another video. So I use generative AI to generate the following rim design, and I'm going to show you how you can do that easy with Sparc3D without having the need for an account. So this will be the Hugging Face link, and you're going to find it over here. You can upload an image. You're going to hit generate, and it will output the following model. So we see over here how many fine details this outputted. I loaded that within Blender. If I'm going to zoom in over here, you're going to see that the mesh will look like this. If I will auto smooth it, it will have quite a lot of points. So if I will go over here within statistics, this will be defined by 2 million points, while the original rim design over here will be the following. If I'm going to move this along, this will only have 25,000. And this is the one generated now by generative AI, and we're gonna see those differences. But considering the fact that this was created starting from a single image, I do consider that this is quite impressive, even though the mesh is not very fine and not very usable depending on the output. But if you are using this for a reverse engineering application, this is more than fine. If you are using it for visualization, you would better stick with classic modeling in that case. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. I'm gonna position a similar video over here on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.